Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my first recipe video for this year. Yeah, chicken cocktails, and it's already made. It's almost June. Anyways, it's not too late to start. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make brown butter. And I already bought this butter. I've never used it before. I bought from the supermarket, and it's called Irish Creamery. Normally in Ukraine there are like percentage of fat on the butter label, but I didn't see anything like that on this one, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. Usually when I make brown butter, I use them to make cookies, I use them to make caramel cakes, but today I was thinking, I didn't have anything to make. I think just make a recipe that was simple, and what's simpler than brown butter, because what I needed was just butter and a pan. So I wanted to make about 100 grams, so I didn't use all of the butter and stuff because I was thinking to make cookies with it. So I decided that I'm going to, use, I don't know, what am I saying? Anyways, I'm using 100 grams of butter today, guys. And then you're going to put it in a saucepan, and then you're going to put it on low heat, like really low heat, because you don't want it to burn. You want it to brown gradually. And the milky part of the butter is the part that kind of browns up and becomes caramelized. And you want to do that slowly. You don't want to do it all of a sudden. Okay, so now that the butter is melted, because it was frozen when I put it in, I forgot to out of the fridge initially. So you want that to, I think this took about 15 minutes. It didn't take that long, but you want to keep it on really low heat, because you don't want to burn it, and you want to stir it into that. It's going to bubble up because the fat of the milk, the proteins in the milk is going to start in the butter. So that's what you're saying now. It's going to start browning, and that's the part that becomes brown and gives you caramelized butter, and the house is going to smell amazing. I'm not even joking. The house is going to smell like you're baking cookies. It smells so amazing. Okay, so you're just going to boil this down slowly for about 10-15 minutes until it is brown. You don't want to burn it, because if you burn it, it will start to taste bitter, and that's not what you want. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, this is what you're going to have. It is going to be brown and smell delicious. So that's the kind of brown you're looking for. And now I'm about to spice it. When I make my spice butter, I like to add cinnamon and some cloves, and then use them to make maybe carrot cake or to bake cookies. So for this one today, I'm going to be using it to make toast. So you're welcome, and I'll see you in my future tutorials. Bye.